What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. I just want to start by saying happy Thanksgiving. I really appreciate you guys that watch all my videos, follow the channel. Your support means a lot to me, and I hope you all have a great holiday season with friends and family. Sorry if my camera's a little blurry. I cracked my phone screen. That's what I'm using to record real quick. But other than that, we're about to hit Lanier real quick. I'm gonna go pick up my buddy Jake, who hasn't been on the channel before. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a little tough. It's sort of like junk fishing out here. You gotta throw everything, and there's a lot of little fish around it. It seems like it's harder to come by those 4+ bites right now. So we'll see how we do, and I'll see you guys out there. Right there, baby. All right, guys. Fish number one. We got Jake in the boat.
Yep. Giant.
It's a giant right there. Number one.
Daddy. Oh,
Big.
Look at them all, dude. That's nuts.
Get in there. Let's go. Number two. Let's go. On that jig. Number two.
Oh, he's got it.
Let's go.
Let's go. That drag is so loose, dude. It slips.
Dude, you set the hook, and I'm like, oh my god, that's a big.
Slips so bad, dude. On the board, baby. Oh yeah. That's a good one too.
I don't think so.
No?
Nah. There we go.
Better one.
Better one. We're getting there.
Yeah.
Doink. We're growing. We're growing here.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly. Quarter pound by quarter pound.
Well, we're going the right
Let's
direction.
go.
This is on speaker.
Yes. Holy hell.
Good one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, maybe not. No, he's not that good. He's throwing
It's
up
a
lot
fish,
of...
though.
Yeah, it is. Let's go. It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a fish right there.
That's a fish. I mean, I'm happy to see it because it's been a minute, but another Lake Lanier spot.
Yeah, that was probably a good one. Yeah.
Little dude, number like 6, 5.
Yep. It's a giant.
It's a giant.
Got him.
Good?
Not huge, but it's a good one. Hell yeah. Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah. Jig fish.
Oh,
Got it.
yup.
Get up here. Look at how nasty he is, dude. I don't even want to touch him.
They've been looking like that recently.
He's got some issues going on,
Look at the
gentlemen.
outside.
Ugh.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you're about to get it. got this damn thing. Good one?
Might be a spot. Maybe a good spot. On the spoon.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Ain't that big.
Just let Buddy have this damn jig in front of him.
That right there on the jigging spoon.
He's got it. There we go. Ooh. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Definitely better.
There we go. Just dropped Jake off and hit a spot right by his dock. Got one on the jig again. Just another Thanksgiving bass right there. Another fish off the same rock. Better. Way better. Heck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Another good one right there. That was awesome. I was messing with 3 fish with the spoon, jigging spoon. And they were sort of interested. And this guy just peeled off the tree and freaking smoked it. It's a better fish too. Oh, sweet. Whoops. Look at that right there. There we go. There's a fish on that jigging spoon. Guys, we're gonna try to get one more fish on the jig here. It's getting pretty darn cold and it's time to eat, so let's get one more and then we're gonna head in. There we go. Last fish of the day on the jig too. Right on. So, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy your time with friends and family. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.